What is up guys, Dan at this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use HubSpot API. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in HubSpot. And after that, you will see this dashboard of HubSpot. So if you are new to HubSpot, just simply sign in with your email and password. But if you already have an account on HubSpot, just simply log in by clicking on login here on the right side top. So then you will be welcomed inside HubSpot. So as you can see, I am new to HubSpot and I am signing it with my email. So as you can see, I have signed in myself into HubSpot. And as you can see, you can add your workflow and tools, and you can even add your contacts. In workflow and tools, what I mean is you can add it with your email, your Slack, your LinkedIn, and your Facebook. And from here, you can add your contacts manually. So I don't want to add any contact. I'll just skip it for now. And I'll skip this now for inviting anyone with my email. I don't want to invite anyone for now. And it is building my tailored setup, and then I will be able to access HubSpot. So as you can see, I am welcome to HubSpot, and here is the main home page of HubSpot. Now, when you will hover here on your left side, you will see the icon of apps. But like me, if you can't see this icon, on your top, click on the search bar and type apps or just simply type API. And then you will see access your HubSpot API key. Just click on this and then it will take you to your HubSpot API key. So from here, you can access your API from HubSpot. So this is how you can use HubSpot API and you can use it wherever you like. Just make sure to use it responsibly. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.